loss of engine power, glides and gliding terms, plus simulated forced landing. We are going to simulate engine failure at downwind. On checklist, you may see engine failure in flight. Instructor will request for a short approach and in charge of radio call and throttle. Let's simulate an engine failure. As usual, we are flying at downwind at RCFM. But now we have an engine failure. Fly at airspeed 88 knots. Keep altitude and pitch for 88 knots. Flying over Lijia River. Flaps up. Turn to runway. Call tower. Mayday. Mayday. Fengnian Tower Apex 11. Engine failure. Landing runway 04. Try to restart the engine. Power lever. Idle. Voltage switch. Checked auto. Fuel valve. Checked normal. Alternate air. Open. Fuel quantity and fuel transfer pump. Check. Electric master. On. Engine master. On. Try to restart. If engine does not start, fuel valve switch to emergency. At this point, besides doing the checklist, most importantly, fly the airplane. The rule of thumb is aviate, navigate, communicate. As you see, we are now on the base. The key of this maneuver is altitude. If you are high, you have three tools. You can lower your flaps, or turn final later, or forward slip. But if you are low, the only way is to fly directly towards the threshold. We rather fly a little bit higher in engine failure procedure. Now we may start to nose up and continue this emergency landing procedure. Emergency landing. ATC informed. Engine master off. Fuel transfer pump off. Fuel valve off. At this point, the airplane is high. Put down the flaps 1. Transition to V approach on shore final or when sure to make the landing on the runway. After making sure we can land, use flaps 2 for an easier landing. Keep 80 knots. At this point, the nose may look really low. Don't worry about it. Start your run out earlier, then transit to a normal landing. Flaps set. Electric master switch off. Focus on it as a normal landing. You land on the first 2,000 feet of the runway. If you need assistance, you may contact tower. Have a safe flight. This concludes the session.